Hi. Life begins when fear ends. I love this quote. This is my favorite topic. So, good evening, everyone. Fear is just a fear, and fear will is just an imagination which comes to our mind, and it look so scary. Imagine when we started learning something, the fear always take holding us back, and we couldn't able to do. So fear is when fear will be there for longer in our life, then we will not able to do anything. So we have to come out of our comfort zone, and we should we should have a strong belief in ourselves, the self belief that yes, we can do it. And the more you face fear, the more lighter it will be. The fear will go automatically. When I started learning swimming, initially, whenever I used to go near the water, it was looking so scary. I was thinking that what will if I get drowned? I will lose my life. I will die. But thankful to my trainer, he started teaching me, helping me, supporting me, and started guiding me step by step. Initially, I was struggling for a few months, but then slowly I started practicing, and my fear has gone. And after learning swimming, I was thinking that, oh, it is so easy, I could have done it much earlier. So whatever you do, it will look so easier. Imagine like public speaking, Toastmaster. We all have stage fear earlier, right? But when we started coming on the stage, facing the audience, it was scary. But slowly, when started coming on the stage, taking a few roles as a speaker, as an officer, then fear was not. It gets removed automatically. So just face your fear, and life will be amazing. Just imagine kids and children. We should learn from them because they will do whatever they do. They will do fearlessly. They will never think second that whatever they are doing, what will be the consequences. They will just playfully. They will do it, and uh, I mean, we get shocked that, oh, my kid also, whenever she do, I get surprised at how she's doing without any fear. So it is just a fear in our mind, and I'm sure that once you face it, it will get automatically, it will get removed, and you will feel lighter and happy. Thank you.